Welcome back to Cocolode English. In this class, you'll learn real-life English you can start using today.
Hello, our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally. These lessons are short so it's easy for you to watch and practice a few times a day. Today you'll learn how to ask for directions in English. This is very useful when you travel or visiting somewhere new.
Lesson goals. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to ask for directions. Words used for important common places. Direction words in short phrases. Common mistakes to avoid. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask for directions clearly and understand simple answers. The class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, a practice box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. Remember, it's okay if you make a mistake. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying. Question phrases. When you want to ask for directions, always start with "excuse me." This is polite English. Example: "Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM?" Or, "Excuse me, how can I get to the baggage claim?" These are examples of useful question phrases. Excuse me, where is the city museum? Excuse me, how can I get to the bus station? Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? Excuse me, can you please help me? Now it's your turn to practice these question phrases. Excuse me, where is the city museum? Excuse me, how can I get to the bus station? Excuse me, is there a hotel near here? Excuse me, can you please help me?
Common places. These are important common places in a city. You can use these words when asking for directions. Remember to use the word in front of common place names: the bank, the supermarket, the hospital, the school, the bus stop, the train station, the restaurant, the hotel. These are examples of using common places. Excuse me, where is the nearest hospital? Excuse me, how can I get to the bus stop? Excuse me, is there a restaurant nearby? Excuse me, can you help me find this school? Now it's your turn to practice these question phrases. Excuse me, where's the nearest hospital? Excuse me, how can I get to the bus stop? Excuse me, is there a restaurant nearby? Excuse me, can you help me find this school?
Direction words. These words help people explain directions to you. Go straight means continue forward. Turn left or turn right means to change direction. Next to means beside something. Across from means on the other side of the street. Between means there is something on both sides. On the corner means where two streets meet. These are two examples of asking for directions. Mark asks politely for directions.
Paris gives directions using short and clear phrases.
Example 1. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Go straight and turn left. It's next to the bank.
Example 2. Excuse me, how can I get to the train station?
Go straight, turn right at the traffic light. It's across from the hotel.
Notice the use of short phrases. Turn right at the traffic light. Next to the bank. It's across from the hotel. Short phrases are clear and easy to understand.
Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, saying, "Where is bank?" It's better to say, "Where is the bank?" Mistake 2, forgetting to say, "Excuse me." Using these two words first is polite. Mistake 3, saying only, "Where station?" It's better to say, "Where is the station?" Mistake 4, mixing up the change of directions left and right. Remember to use the before common places: the bank, the hospital, the station. Always be polite and say "excuse me," and be careful not to mix up the directions left and right.
Lesson summary. In today's class you learned how to ask for directions, a list of words for important common places, direction words and phrases, common mistakes to avoid when asking for directions. Now you'll be able to ask for directions clearly and understand simple answers given.
Well, that's all for today's lesson. Remember to practice your asking for directions lesson often. If this was a helpful class, please give us a like and subscribe for more upcoming lessons. See you next class. Bye for now.